Your parents are stopping by this evening for dinner, and of course you would like to fix something really impressive. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with shrimp pasta with champagne cream sauce. So let's get started. Let's prepare the champagne cream sauce. Dijon mustard is a nice complement to this dish. Looks like the sauce is ready. Now let's prepare the shrimp. Set the timer for 7 minutes. Keep in mind that shrimp do cook very quickly. Historians believe that champagne originated in the Champagne region of France during the 17th century. Let's prepare the pasta. Feel free to use your favorite pasta. Let's plate up a portion of this amazing shrimp pasta. And let's finish it with a little parsley. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's have a bite. Wow, that is really good. The champagne cream sauce has an incredible depth of flavor. The oven roasted shrimp and the pasta creates an overall magical dish I'm sure your parents will enjoy. Join the community, leave a question and or comment. As always, a complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's one dinner your parents will absolutely love. Stay with us. Watch another video.